Welcome. Let's look at this question on modular arithmetic. This is WASSCE 2024 September edition. We are having 6 times 7 equals to y in the mode of 8. Now this can be written as 6 times 7, the mode of 8 equals to y. Meaning, if you find the product of 6 and 7, which will give you 42, and operating that in mode 8, what will you get? Meaning 42 divided by what? 8. So in this case, we are going to have 40, right? So I'll be having 5 times 8 plus what? 5 times 8 will give us 40. If I add 2, so this is the remainder, right? So therefore, 42, okay, let's just say 42 in the mode of 8 will be equals to what? 2. Therefore, y is equals to what? 2. The value of y is going to be 2, as in the option A. I guess you follow the concept that build into arriving at 2. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.